Hello everybody. Today, me and my three-legged barn cat right here named Dale are gonna show you my new project called Midibin. And it's basically a really easy way to make music with code. It's kind of in the same category as these code playground websites like JS Fiddle and CodePen, because you don't need to log in. That's the big deal here. You're immediately confronted with a text editor and you can start making music. So this is what it looks like when you first hit the front page, and you can see I set you up with a little jingle. Actually, it's the same one I used in my last video because I'm not particularly creative. So it's that little Donkey Kong tune. Of course, you could change the instrument. I'll do the guitar. And then all you have to do is hit run and wait a couple seconds. And it just plays right there in your browser. And you can just keep fiddling with this. The oboe, for some reason, sounds really cool with this tune. Pretty cool. Also, if you slow it down, it sounds kind of sad. So you can just keep fiddling around like that, and it's a very fast editing cycle. And when you're done and you're ready to publish, you just got to give it a title. So, Sad Donkey Kong. Got to hit run one more time here. And then when you're ready to publish, the publish button is right there. So you just hit publish. And boom. It just redirects you to your page. You can share this link with anybody, and they can play your song. And this is pretty cool. So I've got a couple of download links here. So first of all, you can just download the MP3, which is actually exactly what is playing right here. You can download a MIDI file, which is, for people who use all kinds of audio software. It's pretty much standard for like if you want to make sheet music or something, you can use that file. And finally, there's one called Code. So if you download that, it's a zip file that contains this code structured in a actual Clojure project. I'll show you what that looks like. So you can see here it's a full Clojure project. Let me extract it here. Am I actually recording? Okay, good. Yeah, so this is a full Clojure project. Let me just go into it so you can see what it looks like. Sad Donkey Kong. It's a boot project, and if you look at Music CLJ, it's got your code right there. So why would you do this? Well, if you want to continue development of your song locally without having to rely on my server, you can do that. So that's basically what that is. You will also notice down here, I've got this little thing. I noticed that some people had trouble just figuring out what sorts of instruments were available. So I got this little section down here at the bottom of every page, and it shows you every single instrument that is available, and you can actually play a sample to get an idea of what it sounds like. Here's the violin. And bassoon. Yeah, so this will help you get an idea of what each of the instruments sounds like while you're developing your song. Um, so yeah, and I also made a subreddit, which is completely empty right now, but maybe that will be useful for like asking questions. Because Edna, you obviously need to learn how to, you know, make sense of the syntax here in order to make a song, but it's not too hard. So anyway, that's the main thing I wanted to show. Um, what the hell? I'll show you some pre-made ones here. So, oh yeah, there's another big thing I didn't even mention is you can actually, it's not just Eden data. You have access to the full Clojure language. This is an example. Well, Clojure script, I should say. So, you know, if you've got little things inside of your song, I'm not a music person, I don't really know the terms, but you got parts of your song that repeat multiple times. Well, instead of having to write that data multiple times, you can just def it. So you can def intro, and then you can see down here I'm using it in multiple places. I guess I should play it. So it's very powerful. You have full access to the Clojure script language, so you know conj and assoc and anything you want to do. You have it available to you as long as the last thing in the editor, so this thing right here, as long as that is the Edna score, you can put whatever you want above it. Okay, and like I said, it will end up in the zip file if you download the source code. So pretty cool. Um, that's basically it. I've got a lot of like planned features I want to add. That you know, maybe an optional account that you can log into so you can build up a profile. But right now it's totally anonymous, you know, 4chan style, for lack of a better comparison. And I hope you like it. And if not, then screw you.